Managing HR-related affairs has always been complicated. In the past, businesses had to invest in staff to manage and systems to automate HR processes. This means recurring staff expenditure, heavy investment on softwares and user licensing costs, compatible hardware costs, and expenditure to maintain all above. And despite having all the staff and systems, you still have to manage most of the chunk with numerous spreadsheets, which resultingly makes the whole process consuming and expensive. At exaltHR, we work differently. Our unique system and services model is designed to optimize your existing HR process and reduce costs significantly. We deliver our services through our system, exaltHR. exaltHR is our easy-to-use web-based system and is delivered in the cloud, just like Gmail, Facebook, and Google apps. So there's no need to invest in complex software licenses, user licenses, servers, or hire IT staff to manage complicated hardware and software stacks. All you need is an internet connection and web browser, and your employees can access exaltHR anytime, anywhere. With role-based access to the system, employees, managers, HR department, finance department, and top management are connected together. exaltHR is flexible and can be deployed for a single company and can also be extended to multiple companies in a group. exaltHR is a multi-company and multi-currency system. Under a single umbrella configuration, multiple entities can be configured independently. exaltHR is so powerful that it can easily manage global headquarters, regional headquarters, countries in the region, companies in a country, and further cost centers, departments, and teams in a company with added project management and accounting features. An employee in one entity can have expenses approved by a line manager in a different entity, country, or region. Every company can be configured accordingly to applicable HR and finance policies and procedures, with its own base currency, terminology, expense categories, general ledger codes, corporate credit cards, and mobile phone program project codes or per diem rates. Jason Brown, a software developer at Techmanics UK office, just goes to exalthr.com and logs in to his self-service portal, through which he can self-manage his personal details and view his employment, compensation, and related details, view the company's policies and procedures, download forms, and any other important documents, view planner and see tasks allocated to him, request for items he needs to fulfill his tasks, like any material or equipment, apply and track applied leave and monitor current leave balances, submit timesheets as well as claim allowances like time off in lieu or overtime, apply reimbursement of out-of-pocket expenses or provide adjustment of expenses made through corporate credit card or amount taken in advance. He can track status of applied claims as well as manage corporate credit cards' personal and business transactions. Apply and track applied advances and loans, and view outstanding balances. View up-to-date status of benefits and incentives like pension plan or sales commission. Self-declare the amount to be deducted from his payroll, like for staff party or the company's charitable campaign, or view auto-scheduled or manual deductions made by HR or finance department, like late coming fine. He can download his current or previous month's pay slips or drill down into individual components of his monthly payroll. Built-in workflows makes Jason's leave, timesheet, expense claim, loan, advance, and deduction request, and manager's approval process quick and paperless. For example, when Jason needs to make a request to reimburse his out-of-pocket expenses incurred during his trip to the U.S., he simply fills in the online form, attaches receipts, add line items, and clicks Submit, which automatically routes it to his line manager, Michael, in the U.S. office. Michael receives an email alert of Jason's request. He logs into his account and either approves, rejects, or forwards his request to the most appropriate person. Jason gets notified of any actions of his manager via email, and he can also track the current status of his request on his portal. When Jason's request is approved, Jason and Kate, the accountant in the central finance department, are both notified through an email alert. Kate signs into her account with accountant credentials and pays the amount approved. In addition to this, Kate can also see organization-wide employee leaves, expense claims, advances and loans, and generate reports through the built-in reporting engine. Similarly, Sarah, HR manager, has access to employees' information and can generate respective reports. At the back of the system, there's our HR, payroll, and IT team to manage your complete process and let you focus on your core business objectives. Whenever employees or managers have any queries regarding any transaction or even the use of the system, they can contact the exaltHR Support Center 24/7 via email, chat, or phone. Even your mobile employees who don't have access to the internet can request the exaltHR service team to apply their transactions on their behalf. For example, leave, expense claims, timesheets, etc. over the phone. Mobile staff will stay up to date regarding status of their requests via text message alerts. In addition to these, our services include configure and maintain system according to organization's HR and finance policies, maintain employees' database, process payroll on weekly, fortnightly, 4-weekly, or monthly basis, final settlement of employees, file returns with tax authorities, manage employees' reference checks, manage day-to-day transactions and employees payable, manage periodic transfer of journals via web services or CSV file upload from exaltHR to company's accounting system or ERP, writing additional reports for analysis and decision-making, training of new joiners to exaltHR. Our service team ensures that all tasks are done in time. Exalt is highly flexible, and the built-in configuration tools can be configured according to your business processes instantly. However, if you have unique requirements, our development team is always ready to help you. We are here, so please contact us and step into the age of automation and efficiency.